Ciao a tutti amici di Dahua Italia.
Hello friends of Dahua. Today we'll be looking at access control. We have modular controllers to which we will be connecting readers, which can be card, biometric, or combination readers, or integrated standalone solutions like our ASI 1212D, in which the controllers and readers are incorporated into a single device.
In un unico dispositivo. In entrambi i casi,
in both cases, we can manage unlocking with a card, with a numeric combination, or with a biometric reading. For convenience, here we have one of our cases in which we have a modular solution, which has already been connected to its readers, and the standalone solution. Then we have the emergency button to simulate opening and the related contact.
Tutti questi elementi sono
All of these components are linked to an internal switch we can connect to by way of this port. Let's connect now using a PC, where we can see our two devices, both the modular and the standalone solutions, which we will initialize physically using the touchscreen. Let's configure our standalone device. We first enter a password, confirm the password, and enter a valid email address. Then we go to the Network Settings menu and choose a unique IP address for the device. Once the base parameters for the device have been set, we then enable the door sensors. We then go to the Add User section to create a new profile. We give the contact a user ID and then associate a tag that will make the contact unique. To do this, we simply place the tag near the reader.
Nel lettore di prossimità. Ora ci sta dicendo che la card non è
Now it's telling us that the card is invalid because it isn't in the database yet. I should also mention that, if desired, it's always possible to save a fingerprint at a later time. Simply go into the Edit User menu, go to the Fingerprint Info section, click Collect, and follow the instructions to read the fingerprint. We then add the user we've just created to this rule. I do this by clicking on this icon. Then I select the user's department, and as you can see, the user appears in the lower section. At this point, by flagging the small checkbox on the left, the user appears in the upper section of the screen. Using the synchronization bar that quickly appears on the screen, we can verify the actual synchronization of the system.
Sincronizzazione del sistema. Andiamo quindi a effettuare.
Now let's run a few tests. I take the tag that we've just saved and place it near the readers.
Abbiamo poi la possibilità.
Then we also have the possibility to open our doors with an emergency button. Finally, let's see what happens if someone tries to break in without using a card, password, or fingerprint. As you can see, the system sends out an alarm. All of these events we've seen can then be reported and viewed using the smart PSS. Well friends, with that I believe we're done. See you all again for the next Dahua technology video.
Dahua Italia.